Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Nasir Rahman, your Math Tech Master. In today's lesson, we will be learning 2B calculations and algebra, workbook page number 26, question number 3 and 4. Remember, we are doing the workbook 5 of Risingstar mathematics, which is being used in Beacon House school system. And if you have not subscribed this channel, please do subscribe this channel, and you can also like the videos if you like the content of the video, and you can also send me your suggestions through the comments. And let's move to our next question number 3 of page number 26 of our book. The question number 3 says the put brackets in these to make the largest possible answer. We just have to put the brackets in these numbers to make the possible number. In the routine task, if we add up or use the BIDMAS operations in the first question, it should be multiplied before the addition of the numbers, and the answer will be 96 times 54 plus 761. But if we put the bracket before the 7 and after 9, we have to then add 7 and 9 first and then multiply by 6. In this way, the answer will be 96. So this is what is the requirement of the question, that we have to put the brackets in a way that we get the maximum number as our answer. Okay, so let's do the next part. In the next part, obviously we will do the division first, or if we subtract the first numbers 96 minus 54, it will be 40 divided by 8, the answer will be 7. But if we put the bracket over here and make it sure that the bracket part is solved first, the answer will be 96 minus 7, 89. So it is sure that we need to put the bracket in the second part of the questions. In the third part, we know that we have to solve the indices first, and then we have to divide the number. So if we solve the indices, it will be 144 divided by 6. So multiply by 1 over 2. If we find out the answer, what will be the answer? It will be 24 multiplied by 1 over 2, so it will be 12. But if we divide the number or put the bracket after the division sign, what answer will we get? We will get the answer 144 divided by 3. So when we divide 144 by 3, its answer will be 36. Its answer will be 36. So we can say we have to put the bracket before 6 and after 1 over 2. In the next case, this is a straight expression where we can either divide the number by 90 first, and then we will add 4 into it and multiply the number by 3, or we can simply put the bracket after first 3 digits. So we can say 90 divided by 5, 18, plus 4, 22, and if we multiply the number after solving the bracket, we will get the answer 66. But if we solve the bracket first and use the BIDMAS in the second part, we will get the answer 18 plus 12, that is 30. So it means the first one is the larger answer. In the E part, we have two equations where we can multiply the first two numbers by putting them in the bracket. The answer will be 24, and then we multiply it by 8. But what if we put the bracket in the last two digits of the number? So it will be 28 multiplied by 24. Obviously we will get the bigger number. So in the E part, we will use two brackets to make the greatest number. In the last part, remember one thing, that the longer the divisor, the shorter the answer. So in this case, we can keep the second part as it is, or we can multiply or add the numbers first and then multiply them 2 multiplied by 35 plus 560. So cannot we multiply them all and then divide by 7? So it will give us a bigger number. So that is all for the question number 3. In the question number 4, there are some word problems. A very simple word problems are given there. Let's say there are 3 printers like this. 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 printers. Each weigh 13.5 kg. So each one has a weight of 13.5 kg. They are put in a box that each weigh 1.4. Okay, these are put in the 1.4 kg of weight. So this will also be put in one box. Okay, each will have 1.4 kg, 1.4 kg. Okay, then they all are put in a crate of 7.6 kg. So what we have to do, we have 3 printers and 3 boxes of 1.4 kg. So we can say 3 multiplied by 13.5 is the weight of printer plus 1.4 is the weight of that box. So we will add them and multiply by 3, and after that we will be adding 7.6 into it. So it will be 3 multiplied by 14.9 plus 7.6. So we can say that it is 44.7 plus 7.6, which will be equals to 52.3 kg. So the first part is 52.3 kg. Okay, the B part says that the distance between a bus station, look, this is the bus station, and school. There is a school. Okay, the distance is 18 kilometer. Okay, and the bus takes his journey to the school and back the bus station every day in the morning and in the evening. Okay, in the morning the bus goes to the school and comes back. Okay, in the evening the bus goes to the school and comes back. So there are 4 rounds of the bus. So the total distance of the day will be 4 multiplied by 18. How far has the bus traveled in 1 week? So from Monday to Friday. So how many days are there from Monday to Friday? 5 days. So we will simply multiply our answer by 5. So it will be 360 kilometers. Simple as that. A recipe of fruit smoothie uses 360 ml of raspberries, 174 milliliter bananas and 216 milliliters of milk. Sam wants to make 1.5 liters of smoothie. How much milk will he need? Now there are 2 units used. One is liter and one is milliliter. We know that 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. First of all, let's focus on the requirement. So required is, how much is required? 1.5 liter, or we can say 1500 ml. He already has 360 ml plus 174 ml plus 216 ml. So when we will add them all, we will get 750 ml of smoothie. So what is the requirement? 1500. So we will simply subtract 750 from 100 and 1500. So 750 ml is the required milk. Okay, now the wooden floorboards come in 3 widths. How many widths? 3. So 30 centimeter, 80 centimeter and 120 centimeter. The width of a room is 5.5 meter. So 5.5 meter is equals to 550 centimeters. Okay, how many floorboards of each will fit the width of the floor exactly without having a cut any? So cannot we use So in this question we can understand that the total length is 550. So we have to cut them like these three parts can be of 120 centimeter. Okay, these two can be of 80 centimeter and this can be of 30 centimeter. So when we will add all of them, it will be 550 centimeter. So we can say that 120 multiplied by 3, 80 multiplied by 2 and 30 multiplied by 1 is equals to 360 centimeter, 160 centimeter and 30 centimeter, which will be equals to 550 centimeter. So these are the required widths which will fit in the room. So that is all for question number 3 and 4. I hope you have understood each of the questions. If you have any query, any question, any ambiguity in the questions, feel free to comment, to ask me. I will make the video again for that, to make you understand inshallah in a better way. So till then, Allah Hafiz. If you have not subscribed the channel, please do it. Thank you.